Finally here, my nigga. Finally at school. But I'm not sure if they're open, so I gotta check if they'll let me in. And oh, there's my elementary school. When I was so small, bro. By the way, this video might be sent on Instagram or Twitter or YouTube. But nothing about Nanuet High School. They said, I looked in the website, they said early dismissal. So I better pray I'm not too late. Oh, by the way, you see back there? That's the football field I was in. Football field. Had some good times together out there, bro. Anyway, enough about me. See you guys later.